if you saw the backdrop, this is the second video, but it's really simple. Again, ignore my clothes, ignore my hair. I was going through a phase. This is an old video that I recorded back in 2015, but I thought I should share it with y'all. So hopefully you enjoy it. It's really simple. And as for my sources, I use Pinterest. It's been a while, but Pinterest, I mean, you can search things on that site and you can find free forms, free printable forms that you can use. So that's a good source that I use. I forgot the actual blogger who I used, but thank you for when I used you at the time. You were amazing. I appreciate you. And it's something, again, girl on a budget, something you can use again. And actually, I still have them in my office. But yeah. All right, so you got your printouts and you cut away. It does take a little bit of time because there's so many printouts, depending how many you print out. Then you have your sticks and you have your glue gun and you glue it on. It's really that simple. Cut, glue, and stick. And of course, let it dry. And then you repeat the process. I had like about 4 different printouts and I put them on different colorful paper. I will recommend use cardstock. I used regular paper and cardstock would be more sturdy. But then you're done. And then a fun little tip, you can get some cheap blow-ups and add that to your little photo booth prop. A lot of people had fun with it. I mean, look at this pic. Thanks for watching my silly little video. Stay tuned for more DIYs and vlogs. I have some old videos I recorded and never edited, so hopefully you enjoy it.